So as you guys can tell, I just got back from shopping. Y'all, the TJ Maxx down here is insane. I was literally in there for a good 2 hours just looking at everything I wanted. Their selection is just out of this world. I ended up going to Ross for a few things, and I ordered a lot of stuff off of Amazon because today we are doing the bathroom. I'm in this beautiful bathroom. It's so empty. So now we're gonna make it more homey and we're gonna decorate together. My bathroom is filled with a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't even get everything that I wanted to get. I'm not even close to done, but this should do it for right now. I actually have a package that's out for delivery. Not only do I get to decorate one bathroom, but I have 2 bathrooms. So I'm just gonna focus on this bathroom right now because as you can see, it's just bare. We're gonna fix her up. We're gonna fix her up. We're gonna doll her up. I'll show you just a little bit of what I got so you guys can see my color scheme that I'm going for. Y'all know I love my decor. This whole interior decorating thing is just a vibe. The color that I want to go for in this bathroom is a mint green. Mint is very beautiful. It's not too bright, it's not too dark, but it's like right there. It goes really good with the gray vinyl flooring. I was just picking stuff up as I went to the store. I ordered the shower curtain off of Amazon as well as these ombre mint rugs. They're beautiful. It was perfect, like to the T, y'all. I picked up these from, where did I get these from? I think I got these from Ross or TJ Maxx. Then I wound up going to Michael's because I love my eucalyptus. Like I have to have my eucalyptus in the shower, but I feel like I got the wrong size. I didn't get the original one that I usually get because it started to like bleed and like the greenery was coming off and it was like staining my shower. This is a little on the smaller side, so I may return this. We got some more plants. We're gonna play around. We're gonna explore today, y'all. I mean, this is not beautiful. This is a wall vase triad. I don't know how you say this, but I picked this one up from Ross. But how cute is this? Only $15, but yeah, it looks so elegant, so beautiful. So much more, but you guys are just gonna watch the video and see how I put everything together. It's like anything, any items that I purchased, I'll be sure to link everything down in the description so you can get your bathroom right too. And you can get your bathroom right on a budget because baby, you don't need to spend a lot because you're gonna constantly change your bathroom. I just realized these ceilings are hella tall and I don't even have a step stool. I left my step stool in New York. I still don't have no chairs, so we're gonna have to make it do what it do. If I have to climb, I will climb because we're gonna get it done one way or another, okay? I'm not gonna talk too much, I'm not gonna hold you guys. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe, and let's get to work.
Subscribe to Mommy's channel. Bye!
I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of the bathroom right now, of the before. Very empty, very bare, still beautiful.
All of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me.
With picture placement, full picture that I got from TJ Maxx. Faith as small as a mustard seed can move mountains. Matthew 17:20. Maybe you guys can help me. Like right on the side of the toilet, right here. Maybe above the towel rack. I don't know, you guys let me know. I actually have another wall decor piece that I want to put. So I gotta just play around with it. But that's the fun in this, y'all. Rearrange as many times as you want. Now is where I need some assistance, y'all, because I'm here by myself. Juju can't help me. And I gotta hang these pictures up.
I can help you.
You can help me?
Yeah.
Come on. I think I should put the picture. Should I put the picture right here?
No.
Or right here? This one?
No, this one.
It actually doesn't look too bad behind the toilet, right?
No.
Which one, Pop? If I can't hang a picture, how am I going to hang this plant? Y'all know how I feel about my plant, so I have to have a plant in here somewhere. Y'all. Don't even laugh. We gonna get it done one way or another, period. Y'all know we gonna get it done. I think I did a good job, and the color is such a vibe in here, so relaxing. It's what you want when you walk into your bathroom. You want it to be relaxing, you want to get that nice feel. Everything that I got was super affordable. The only thing that I didn't do was put my eucalyptus up because the one that I got is a little on the smaller side, so I just have to go back and find another one that fits the shower. The thing that's getting on my nerves is this curtain. I have to steam it. Like this is getting on my nerves. Like it's gorgeous, but it has to be steamed, so I'm probably gonna take it down and just iron it. Yeah, this is it, y'all. This is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you think. What color is your bathroom currently? Let me know if you would like to see me decorate bathroom number 2. So let me know if you guys like these videos. Also, turn your post notifications on so you never miss when I upload a video. Be sure to link everything that I bought in the description so you guys can shop as well. And also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my couples channel at Eddie and Michelle. Everything's gonna be down below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next upload.
You've been looking for this song. Yeah. It's the kind of continue. Been looking for your life. Yeah. Simply Michelle.